because whenever you plan abroad, going abroad, if you know that you have to take a flight to Dubai, you have to take a flight to Qatar first and then to Kazakhstan. So you say, oh, it's very cumbersome. So direct flight is a great step, is a revolutionary step, I think, not only to each other, but it will also help our traders and businessmen know each other and interact with the communities. Cultural exchanges and promoting mutual understanding, people to people interactions. Both countries definitely recognize the tourism potential that both countries have.
National President, thank you so much for, first of all, for your kind invitation, for having me here today. It's a great honor for me. Today we are discussing a very important topic, bilateral cooperation between Kazakhstan and Pakistan. As you know, I joined the mission from Kazakhstan in Islamabad 2 years ago. And during these 2 years, we've been working hard to bring our two brothers. It was joint. Yes. So, Vision Central Asia. And the same year, your government, for the first time, adopted a national security strategy. And this very important document was mentioned that Central Asia played a very...
So, as a think tank, we have very close collaboration, and I'm really grateful to Excellency. They've been very kind always. He supports us on various ventures that we do with regard to Kazakhstan, as well as we have many products that we use every now and then. We try to figure out various aspects of the relationship where we can all work together. And this is what I think is an expectation from Excellency and from us also as think tank, that media should also play a very productive role. As we are concerned, as think tank, my center works on Kazakhstan and Central Asia. We are always there with our boots on to support you in your efforts.
Thank you very much, Dr.
Also to develop some kind of program with Central Asian countries, of course Kazakhstan also, where we can have exchange programs with these countries of students going there for PhD and their students coming to Pakistan for PhD. Or higher joint research projects that we have proposed HEC that we should have with Central Asia and Kazakhstan because it's I think it's very important in today's era that we have a scientific knowledge sharing. And it's knowledge sharing that will actually help us to grow economically. Pakistan and Kazakhstan have engaged in defense collaboration also. Though it's not much, but we have joint exercises programs, we have military contact.
Biyaz, Dastakhan, Chekhana, Kagaz, phone support. These words are common to us. So we should bring this message of brotherhood. We should bring this message of how many things we have in common. So we have so many things in common that should unite us. As soon as we develop regional infrastructure, as soon as we establish a well-developed regional connectivity, we will be able to deliver different types of goods from Pakistan to Kazakhstan, from Kazakhstan to Pakistan, and through your seaports to the markets of Southeast Asia and African countries. And vice versa, Kazakhstan can serve as a regional hub for getting access to the Eurasian markets. It's well known that Kazakhstan is a founding member of the Eurasian Economic Union in the region. Recently we received the latest data, and Kazakhstan was ranked as 37th country in the world in terms of competitiveness. More online services, we were ranked as 28th among 180 countries in the world. So our country is doing quite well. Last year alone, we have attracted $28 billion as foreign direct investments. Within these 3 decades, we have attracted more than 400 billion US. And our president instructed the government of Kazakhstan to strengthen cooperation with Pakistan. So it shows how important is cooperation between our countries and that.
With regard to hindrances, this is my sense. This is my sense for the last 5 years that I'm in a think tank. I'm extensively engaged with foreign embassies, with foreign countries, with likes of Excellency. Wherever I go, they are very welcoming. They're very
help us to, to address this very important issue, to fill the gap, and to deliver this message of, brotherhood that we used to have. There's excellent relations in the past. Now it's time to start a brand new chapter in the history of our modern bilateral relations, and to reconnect our two brother nations. And I fully agree with you.
with us. So people are there to facilitate you. For example, if you ask I can give you examples of very countries. And then when it comes down to us, we actually, let's be honest. There's a policy, but it's hardly a tourist policy. We do not have a mountaineering, there are various kinds of tourism. I just giving you example, and 0.5,500,000 tourists to this country per year. It is $10 billion economy.
Media who interviewed you regarding that, and now I am happy and glad when I have seen that the efforts you were making, they are not a dream anymore, they are a reality, and we are going to have those flights. The exchange programs are journalist friends talking about. I think they are very necessary. Not only the journalists from Pakistan should be there, the journalists from Astana should be coming here, and they should be visiting all the beautiful places. Statement, because everyone is getting late. But a few comments that we met first time in Institute of Strategic Studies, and I interviewed you for the first time, and since that day, one of the most active diplomat, one of the most active ambassador, lead, and I would like to have you next time as well, very soon, so when I can invite all my youth supporters who are going to kill me for not inviting them today, and especially the body of the National Press Club and Rawalpindi Islamabad Union of Journalists. We would love to meet you and get all the knowledge they are deprived of today.